Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to discuss that how you can create mock-up for your business, for your upcoming course, for your upcoming launch for absolutely for free. So let's get started. So first of all you have to just go to your course. I don't have any course right now, so I will just go ahead and I will click the screenshot of my page, and I am just using it for an example. So I will just go ahead and I will take an screenshot. So about the Droppler, I have explained it like it is a kind of extension which you can use for taking the screenshots. It is absolutely for free, and it comes for both like Mac and otherwise as well. So you can just go ahead and you can take the selected area, and in this case I want to just take a screenshot of something like that. So I have taken it. So we have the screenshot right here. So now we all have to do is to create the mockup. So now you have to just go ahead and you have to click on the canva.com. When you will come to the Canva, what you have to do is you have to go to the create a design. So when you will go to the create a design, you have to select custom dimensions. So in the custom dimensions, I'm taking 1000 into 1000. Now I'm creating a new design. Once you are into this and once you have selected, you have to go ahead in the elements here, and in the elements you have to search the term frames. Okay, so just type frames, click enter, and then you will get to see the frames. Okay, so for now I am taking this one. And I want to use this screenshot, so just I'm dragging, dropping here. So now you can just go ahead and you can adjust it. You can see it shows like in a computer how does it will look. Now you can just go ahead again in the templates, sorry, in the elements, and then you will click a kind of laptop form. So this is desktop and this is the laptop. You can also select the iPad kind of version over here, and you can just minimize it like this, like here, and then you can select this, that is a mobile phone, and you can just adjust it like this, and you can just do like something like that. It looks good to me. Now again you have to take the screenshots of your codes or anything, and then you will just go ahead and you will just use this image over here. Again I will go ahead and I will use this image over here. Also what you can do is you can just click on the double click and you can adjust that what space you would like to show up first. So in this case I want to look like that. Okay, so for the mobile as well, you can just go ahead and you can just drag and drop here. It's very easy, just drag and drop and something like that. So yes, this is how it will look, and this is how a mock-up looks. In case you must have seen like mock-ups in courses, let me show you. Mock-up in courses, when you will type over here and you will go to the images, you will get to see that okay, this is something is called mock-up. Okay, this picture. So you can see here people use it in their online courses, their any masterclass, their any group program, etc. So how they have using it, and just you have just created this kind of mock-up and you just have to hit the download and you're done. So I hope you find it useful, and it is the easy to go. You don't have to pay for any software, and I hope you find it useful. And if you find it, please don't forget to give us a like, subscribe, and I will see you soon.